A for apple, A for alligator. B for ball, B for butterfly. C for cat, C for camel. D for dog, D for duck. A, B, C, D, look and see. We learned our letters, it's so easy. A, B, C, D, sing along, learning the alphabet with a song. Yeah! E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for frog. G for grapes, G for goat. H for hat, H for horse. E, F, G, H, look and see. We learned our letters, it's so easy. E, F, G, H, sing along, learning the alphabet with a song. Yeah! I for ice, I for insect. J for jelly, J for jump. K for kite, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for leaf. I, J, K, L, look and see. We learned our letters, it's so easy. I, J, K, L, sing along, learning the alphabet with a song. Yeah! M for moon, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nose. O for orange, O for owl. P for pig, P for pie. M, N, O, P, look and see. We learn our letters, it's so easy. M, N, O, P, sing along, learning the alphabet with a song. Yeah! Q for quilt, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rain. S for sun, S for snake. T for tiger, T for tent. Q, R, S, T, look and see. We learn our letters, it's so easy. Q, R, S, T, sing along, learning the alphabet with a song. Yeah! U for umbrella, U for up. V for van, V for violin. W for whale, W for wind. X for x-ray, X for fox. U, V, W, X, look and see. We learn our letters, it's so easy. U, V, W, X, sing along, learning the alphabet with a song. Yeah! Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zigzag. Y, Z, look and see. We learn our letters, it's so easy. Y, Z, sing along, learning the alphabet with a song.